Hi there, it's Jessica Wade from YWAIT Agency. We help small businesses automate their growth so that they can stop chasing customers and start attracting them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up one of the most powerful automations for your online store. It's the Abandoned Cart Reminder inside your CRM. If you have ever had somebody add items to their cart, get distracted and disappear, this is how we will get them back. Let's jump into it. All right. Your swag store, you'll go to sites, website, and you'll click on the swag store folder, and then you will pull up your store. Now, your store already comes, your YWait swag store already comes loaded with all of the tech needed for your carts, your checkout. But here's the gold mine: when someone adds items to their cart and does not check out, we can automatically send them a friendly, "Hey, you forgot something" reminder. Now, here's the catch: to make it work, you need two things. The lead must have added an item to their cart, and we must have their email on file. If they filled out our lead form or their device is linked to a contact record in your CRM, then you're golden. Now, let's set it up. You're going to head over to payments. From here, you are going to go to payment settings. Okay, so payment settings, and then you're going to click on notifications. And there you'll see the abandoned cart. So, notifications, customer notifications, and you'll see abandoned cart notifications. There are two fields here. There's the email template. This is an email they'll receive. We'll review that next. And then there is a wait time, how long you want to wait before sending the reminder. Now, by default, it's listed as 24 hours. Personally, I recommend a shorter window, like anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. That's usually a sweet spot while they're still thinking about it. Now, you'll click those save changes. Once you've gotten those two fields dialed in, you'll hit save, but don't close the tab yet. Now, let's give that reminder a little personality, YWait style. Go to marketing. From here, you're going to click on emails. Then we're going to click on templates. And this is where we're going to locate that swag store abandoned cart email. So we're going to go to the swag store. We're going to click on abandoned cart. And this is already built for you with your YWait swag store created. But this is going to kind of include a simple but powerful message. It's got the headline, forgot something, a short little message, looks like you left some items behind in your shopping cart. And from there, you are able to see the items that they left in their cart. This is a dynamic cart preview. It automatically lists what's left behind. View my cart button, you'll be able to see all you need to do is link this button to your cart so that it'll grab what they had previously. So this is the button that we want to sync the link to. I already went ahead and grabbed that link, but let me show you where you go to find that. You'll go ahead and you'll click the back button. You'll go to sites. You will locate your store, websites, and then swag store. You'll pull up that store and you are looking for the cart page. Okay. Now you can just preview link and copy the link, the hyperlink up here. That's usually the quickest, easiest way to do it. Once you've copied that link, you're going to go back to marketing, go to emails, templates, pull up the swag store abandoned cart email, click on your button, and then you're going to paste it right here under the link URL. Now, we will already have set this up for you, but this is a important thing just to be aware if you have other things that you want to add and integrate in here for you. And then boom, your My Cart button will now send them straight back to where they left off. Before you hit publish, though, you want to give your template a little love. If it's not already on here, you want to add your logo, maybe update the colors to match your brand palette. Yes, that hot pink is E93893FF if you're looking to rock YWait vibes. Add a little friendly closing line, something like, hey, we saved your cart for you. Your items are waiting. Keep it human, not robotic. Now that your email and your triggers are live, every time a visitor adds the items and leaves the items behind, the system will automatically wait your chosen time, send the branded email reminder, and pull their saved cart directly into this message. It's simple, elegant, and fully automated, just how we like it. And just like that, you've built your automated cart recovery system. No extra tools, no plugins, just pure YWait automation doing the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your business. So now you know this one small automation can mean thousands in recovered sales every month. If you want YWait Agency to help you set up your swag store further, integrate your lead forms, automate your emails and SMS follow-ups, just head to YWaitAgency.com. Let's get your system working while you sleep, because your leads shouldn't be waiting and neither should you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment automate if you want custom YWait setup walkthrough next. And at this point, you are finished with this module and able to move on to the next one. See you over there.